Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys lava mobile guys navigation bar setting. And today video title is guys how to set gesture navigation in lava mobile and how to use it. Friends, you want to use lava mobile gesture settings. So friends, how to use gesture settings one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your lava mobile. Friends, in your lava mobile, open your phone navigation bar setting. After on your phone navigation bar setting friends, you want to use lava mobile gesture navigation setting. Friends, click here second option and you can remove 3-button navigation and you can set gesture navigation and you can use it. And friends, you don't know how to use gesture setting friends, you can see how to use gesture setting. Go to home screen, swipe up, and friends right side and left side, if you swipe here so you can use back button. Left side and right side, if you swipe here you can use back button. Friends, if you own any app, you want to go to home screen page, swipe here, you can go to your home screen page. You are in setting, swipe here. And friends, if you own any app, you want to own your recent app, you want to check your recent app, so friends pause here, swipe here, you can check recent app, you can open recent app and you can remove it. So like that friends, you can use gesture settings. And friends, 3-button navigation will not show on your screen. And friends, you can use gesture settings from here. Friends, right and left side friends, you can use speed. Right side and left side friends, back swipe here, left side right side, you want to change the speed, so you can change speed. So like that friends, you can use gesture settings in lava mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.